Hi everyone, welcome back. This is India food recipes.in. Today our recipe is chicken drumstick curry. It's kind of a thick gravy recipe. Okay, let us see the ingredients here. I'm going to use a chicken drumstick. This is around 5 and around half a kg. And for this recipe, I'm going to use sesame oil. This is around 3 teaspoons. And 1 chopped red tomato, 1 chopped red onion, and this is the masala part. For this chicken recipe I am going to use 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, cascas, and 1 teaspoon of roasted chana dal, and 2 dry chili, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, crushed ginger garlic, and salt as per taste. Okay, let us see how to prepare this chicken recipe. First of all, I am going to roast all the masala, cumin, coriander, poppy seeds, dry chili, and just roasted chana dal, everything together. Take a small saucepan. That when I am going to add this masala part. Sort it until they get slightly brown color. We can smell that the cumin smell also. So roast it for at least 2 minutes. At the end of the time, we will add this poppy seeds into this pan, because poppy seeds will roast very quickly. They slightly get brown color. This is the time I'm going to add poppy seeds. Roast it for 1 more minute. After that, we will turn off the flame. This is enough. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. Let them cool for some time. Then we will grind it and make a powder or a masala mix or paste, whatever you want. I don't have the Indian mixie. I have a blender only. So I'm going to add this mixture and water and make a paste of it. Heat some oil in the pan. Make sure oil is heat. Here I'm going to add this chopped onion. Sort it nicely. Onions are slightly transparent. This is the time I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, crushed ginger and garlic. Sort it nicely until remove the raw smell of this ginger and garlic. Ginger and garlic give nice aroma. I'm going to add salt. Now sort it everything together. Leave it for 1 minute, then we will add our chopped tomatoes. This is our chopped onion. Sort it nicely until the onions are slightly smashed. After that, we will add the ground masala. This is ground masala part. That is cumin seeds, black pepper, coriander seeds, dry chili, poppy seeds, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and chana dal mixture. Let them smash. Then we will add our masala and chicken pieces here. Now let's check it. Onions are smashed and tomatoes are smashed. This is the time I'm going to add this ground masala part. No need to add water, because of the masala part is a liquid only, so that water is enough. If you want more salt, you can add some more salt also. Now I'm going to add this drumstick, a chicken drumstick. Mix it everything together. Now I'm going to close this pan for next 15 minutes. After that, let us see this chicken curry, drumstick chicken curry. Okay, now I'm going to close this pan. Let's wait for next 15 minutes. In between, open the pan and stir this chicken curry slightly, otherwise it will stick into the pan, the sides. Now again I'm going to close the pan. Now let's check the chicken curry. Yeah, can you see this? Thick consistency now. This is the one I want. Look how much it's thick. Because of this chana dal, roasted chana dal, we got this consistency. Look. Now I am going to turn off the flame. Here the tasty and thick chicken gravy, drumstick chicken gravy is ready to serve now. I am going to garnishing this chicken gravy with chopped coriander leaves. You can serve this chicken curry with chapati, roti, naan, or any kind of variety rice or idli, dosa. Try it yourself. Send your valuable feedbacks to www.indiafoodrecipes.in. We'll meet in another video. Thank you.